Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my son's capsule wardrobe. Today I thought I'd show you some of the outfits we like to put together from Ted's wardrobe. At the moment he has 32 pieces of clothing in his wardrobe. This doesn't include things like pyjamas or jumpers, it's just literally his outerwear. In a few weeks' time I am going to swap out some of his jeans and jumpers and change them over for some summer clothes. So I will do a summer haul for him, and I will also do, what are you doing? And I will also do a capsule summer wardrobe for Ted as well. So watch out for that on my channel. But for now, here is some of Ted's capsule wardrobe. As I mentioned earlier, I will be doing a summer haul for Ted in a few weeks' time, and I will be doing a summer capsule wardrobe video for Ted as well, so watch out for those on my channel. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and please feel free to comment below. I love hearing from you, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you all soon. Bye!